Adventure enthusiasts love adventure motorcycles for their off-road readiness, confidence-inspiring ergonomics, large wheels, good ground clearance, and low maintenance cost. The added benefit is that these features are available in low-displacement bikes, which means a lighter engine and overall curb weight, resulting in increased off-road capability. Additionally, the market now offers a wide range of affordable adventure bikes. In this article, we explore the top 10 most powerful adventure bikes under 1000 cc. Honda used to have a significant disparity between its smaller CB500X and the larger, higher-end Africa twin motorcycles. However, they have now introduced the Transalp XL 750 to bridge this gap, providing a lighter and more affordable adventure option compared to its larger sibling. Having first been introduced in the 1980s, the Transalp has gained a reputation within the adventure motorcycling community. Equipped with a new 755cc parallel twin engine, which produces 90 horsepower and 55 pounds-to-foot of torque, the bike appears to be a promising adventure motorcycle. With the Transalp already available in Europe, it is highly likely that an American release is on the horizon. Exciting times await Honda enthusiasts. KTM. With its impressive record of winning 18 consecutive Dakar rallies, possesses extensive knowledge in creating bikes capable of effortlessly tackling the most demanding terrains. By recently reintroducing the 790 Adventure, KTM has further refined an already versatile motorcycle. At the heart of this motorcycle lies a Euro 5 engine, boasting a displacement of 790 cc, and delivering a robust 93 horsepower and 64 pounds-to-foot of maximum torque. These power numbers, combined with a lightweight 438-pound frame, offer an exhilarating riding experience, particularly when navigating dirt roads and situations that call for standing on the foot pegs and maneuvering. Including a V-Strom in any discussion about adventure motorcycles is an undeniable challenge. In this particular case, we have chosen the 800D Adventure as one of the top 10 most powerful adventure bikes under 1000 cc. Suzuki has managed to create an enticing value for money proposition with this model, distinguishing itself with the longest suspension travel among V-Stroms. The 800DE stands out as one of the most capable off-road bikes in the sub-1000cc category, equipped with a 776cc twin-cylinder engine. It produces an impressive 83 horsepower and 57 pounds-to-foot of torque. Notably, the bike's low-end power excels on typical backcountry trails. Furthermore, the 800DE comes with standard features like traction control, switchable ABS, and multiple ride modes, ensuring a comprehensive package of modern amenities. Adventure biking and BMW go hand in hand, with the company offering one of the largest selections of adventure motorcycles. Among them, the F850 GS Adventure stands out for its impressive performance when put to the test. This bike embodies the true essence of a globetrotter, excelling both on and off the road. Equipped with a powerful 853cc engine, the BMW F850 GS Adventure delivers 90 horsepower and 63 pounds-to-foot of maximum torque. It boasts electronic suspension, dynamic ride modes, an adjustable windshield, and a standard 3-year warranty, making it an enticing option for a midweight adventure motorcycle. Following in the footsteps of the renowned 1250 GS Adventure, the F850 GS Adventure can undoubtedly be considered a genuine adventure motorcycle in BMW's lineup. The V85 TT is the sole adventure motorcycle offering from the Italian brand, Moto Guzzi. Despite not having an extensive history in producing adventure motorcycles, this bike truly exceeds expectations. With power figures of 75 horsepower and 60 pounds-to-foot of torque, it offers decent performance. However, what other features does this motorcycle bring to the table? First and foremost, the V85 TT is equipped with all the modern features expected of an adventure motorcycle. It boasts excellent ground clearance, a comfortable seat height, and a sturdy tubular frame that effectively distributes the weight. Additionally, there is a more adventure-focused version available. This variant includes plastic panniers, a larger touring windshield, heated grips, and the MIA multimedia platform. These added features make the V85 TT travel a more enticing choice for riders seeking extensive adventures and far-reaching destinations. The next KTM featured in this lineup is the 890 Adventure R, which can be seen as the larger sibling of the 790 model. The Austrian manufacturer emphasizes that the 890 Adventure R is focused on providing an exceptional journey, a claim that is hard to contest. Equipped with an 889cc parallel twin engine, producing an impressive 103 horsepower and 73 pounds-to-foot of torque, this motorcycle offers abundant power for those who have a daring spirit. Its remarkable off-road capabilities are attributed to various rider aids, finely tuned suspension, a lightweight frame. Additionally, KTM has introduced a new feature called Demo Mode, enabling riders to explore all the available technology. During the initial 1,500 kilometers, 932 miles, of riding. Making its appearance on this list is the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally. Triumph offers two options in this segment, namely the Rally and the Rally Pro. However, for most individuals, we believe the former will suffice. The Rally Pro does come with a few additional features, such as Triumph Shift Assist, 6 riding modes instead of 4, heated seats, and a TPMS, which adds a touch of luxury to the Pro version. At the core of this motorcycle lies the notable 888cc inline-3 engine, generating 93 horsepower and 64 pounds-to-foot of peak torque. Showa suspension system is provided, complemented by a Brembo braking system. Additionally, the bike boasts an enormous 5.28-gallon fuel tank, ensuring you have ample capacity for your adventurous endeavors. Among the motorcycles listed, the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition stands out as one of the most thrilling options. This bike boasts an 889cc parallel twin engine that delivers an impressive 105 horsepower and 74 pounds-to-foot of torque. When it comes to a middleweight adventure motorcycle, these specifications are more than sufficient. However, the Norden 901 distinguishes itself from the rest by leaning towards off-road performance. In a world where many motorcycles attempt to appear as adventure bikes, the Husky takes a different approach, and we find no faults in that. The Expedition model incorporates some superficial cosmetic changes, but it also includes substantial hardware upgrades that will undoubtedly appeal to a wide range of riders. The two most powerful bikes at the top of this list share the same engine, the 937cc Ducati DesertX, which produces 113 horsepower and 69 pounds-to-foot of torque. Let's start with the Multistrada V2. While some may argue that it leans towards being a sports-oriented tourer, Ducati offers a wide range of accessories for you to customize, and give it the appearance of an adventure motorcycle. You can enhance it with spoke trims, additional lights, a navigation system, a luggage rack, panniers, and a taller windshield. However, keep in mind that the 19-inch front wheels have their limitations on poorly paved roads, so be cautious when venturing into such areas. Nevertheless, if you're a passionate fan of the Multistrada, the V2 truly deserves your undivided attention in this category. Let's move on to the final, or should we say the premier, most powerful adventure bike with an engine under 1000 cc. The DesertX. Although the DesertX and the Strada V2 share almost identical power, with the DesertX having just 3 horsepower less and a more off-road focused tuning, compared to its counterpart with a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, along with a purposefully designed off-road chassis offering 250 mm of ground clearance. The DesertX sets itself apart. It gives you the feeling that it was inspired by Dakar rally builds, and its performance matches that expectation. Ducati certainly kept many of us eagerly waiting for this model, and we must say, the wait has truly been worthwhile.